Bicep curls, a notorious exercise known in the gym for building bigger biceps. It's literally the most common known exercise on earth in the gym. But form can be a problem. And for your sake, because I like you, I'm going to show you how to do a bicep curl properly, the correct form to do this exercise. So let's get straight into it. First things first, we need to understand, what does a bicep curl actually work out? What muscles are being worked out here? So bicep curls, if you didn't guess already, work out your biceps. Was there any need to explain that one? But they also work a bit of your forearms and your wrists as well. Now we're going to get into the form and how to do this exercise properly. First, we want to start off with the knees. You don't need to relax. Not that. If you're on those sites, stop using them sites, yeah? That's not good for you. What you want to do, guys, you want to have loose knees with a slight bend, you know. Keeping a firm standing, but you don't want to tighten your knees. You want to keep them loose, you know. You want to have a slight bend. Hold on to your dumbbells firmly and keep your elbows loose. Your wrists want to be sideways, so like this, as you can see in this video. And now we're going to move on to the movement. You want to come up slowly, squeeze and feel it in the bicep. You know, when you feel that tension in the bicep, that's when you're working out this muscle here. You want to get this bigger, so we're working it out. When you squeeze, you want to come down slowly and make sure you control that negative movement, that eccentric movement. But there's a lot of things that people get wrong here is that, you know, they come up really slowly, they come down really quick. Truth is, when you come down, you're also tearing your muscle fibers. And when you're doing this movement, you want to get in all the benefits you can, you know. So you want to come down slowly and control that movement slowly. As you come down, guys, you want to rotate your arms in the original position that you started in. That's how you do this movement, the bicep curl. A common mistake beginners make, I've seen myself and I've done myself as well, is swinging your arms like an idiot, you know. Swinging your arms. I hate doing this, but I have to do this. I'm going to play a video of me when I started gym, how I was bicep curling. Just watch this quickly. Flips it, man. But jokes aside, guys, what you're really doing here, when you're swinging your arms, you're having bad form, you're only making yourself more prone to injury. You're not getting the correct movement in, so you're not working out the muscles as well as you possibly could be doing. If you do a movement, you want to get the most out of it. But having bad form, sometimes you won't even work out at all if it's that bad. And trust me, I've been there. There's been times I've gone gym, I've done bicep curls, I don't feel it. But obviously, it was my form. I wasn't doing the correct things. I didn't have the correct weight in my hand at the time. And that's another thing I want to say to you guys. When you start off in the gym, if you're starting off to do bicep curls, find a weight that's not too hard and not too easy. Find a weight where you can practice your form, then you can progressively overload and go for bigger numbers and get bigger. So make sure you do them correctly. I'm giving you all the advice and tips, so make sure you do it correctly. I've even showed you me being an idiot and doing it like this. No, we're not going there again. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like that video, hit the like button. It helps me. It does not hurt. Yeah, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't take much effort either. Just hit the like button, leave a comment, you know, if you want, you know, just let me know what you think about the videos. Hit the subscribe button. Stay ambitious, stay working hard, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Love.